Yes, YouTube, I'm back in. I purchased my Subway. I'm gonna start the journey. You know what I mean? My subscribers want me to drive and having a conversation with you guys. I'm gonna start that soon. You know what I mean? It's just that sometimes I don't even like doing that. You know what I mean? But when I stop, I will definitely have a good conversation with you guys. But like I said, I'm just gonna start the journey. Thanks for tuning in. It's TriStar is checking. Peace out, respect. Have a safe day. Peace.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
YouTube TriStars. Still in Michigan. You know what I mean? I stopped at the truck stop. My trailer was losing here from my hose, which I went on to the truck to get it fixed, which I should actually video what I was doing, but I didn't. I don't know why I didn't. I just heard a lot of hair coming from the brake lever inside the truck. Whenever you hear like air leaking, it's either the maxi, a blow, or some hose, like what I went around there and so. Sorry I didn't get to show you guys what was going on. But I'm at a truck stop somewhere in Michigan here. I'm not sure what is the name. It's on the 80, the highway 80, the toll road. So yes, so that was my second stop basically. So I'm gonna continue my journey to get to finish off the rest of my hours, so I could just when I wake up in the morning I can just go one go. You know what I mean? So yeah. Where is this? The address, if you look at it, Well, it should be a pilot, but it's not a pilot. The pilot is across the street, and it's come to this one because this one was actually empty. But you two, big up. We drive, we're leaving now.
Like a comet, blade. Come on, everybody, let's give God this worship. If you know He's awesome, come on, stand on your feet, everybody. If you know He's awesome, you're in awe of His grace, you're in awe of His goodness, you're in awe of His mercy, you're in awe of His provision. He's great and He's greatly to be praised. Hallelujah. Come on, everybody, lift your hands as we lift our voices. Come on, say, my God is awesome. My God is awesome. Come on, say, He can move mountains. He can move mountains. Keep me in the valley. Keep me in the valley.
Good morning, my peeps. Good morning, good morning. TriStar's trucking. You see that fly that just fly come to my truck a while ago? Oh, him gone. I don't like flies. When they come inside the truck, they don't want to come out. They come in and they hide, and then when you're driving, that's when they try to show up themselves. I'm at a truck stop. It's called Oasis. That's the first time I actually come into this truck stop. Oh, Sinclair. Oh, that's it. Up there. But the anyway. Yes. This is my today's Monday, so this is my second day. Yeah, this is my second day on the same trip. I'm 6 hours away from my destination. I told them I was gonna get there by 5 p.m. Now I'm looking at my time, it's 5:30 p.m. I'm gonna start the journey. I'm gonna walk inside this truck stop to see if they got any coffee or anything in there. It's not like I need it really, but sometimes it's good to have like something just sipping going down the road. You know what I mean? So yes, YouTube, this is TriStar's trucking. On the same trip, like I said, we're going to Okaloma, whatever. Anyway, TriStar's trucking. Thanks for tuning in, and yeah, this is the journey. So we're gonna continue where we left off and finish off, get rid of this plain engine off the truck and start. So thanks for tuning in, TriStars. Let's go inside. Yeah, YouTube. Going inside the truck stop to see what is in there. So yeah, this is basically how it's like. All right, man. Is this large? Where's the cover? Sorry. Sweet. Good morning. I came inside the truck stop, the OSS, and what can I say? This I'm gonna buy roast beef. I'm gonna buy roast beef to go. So this is just an idle move, really. Yeah. So this is like a restaurant. So I'm gonna order my roast beef, then I'm gonna start my journey. You know what I mean? You know, this is Troy Stars trucking. Check it out. Thanks for tuning in again. Yes, YouTube, Troy Stars. Just come back out. I just came back out from the truck stop. Oh shoot. Heading in my truck to leave. Yes, YouTube. Did I close my truck? Yes or no? Shit. Yes, YouTube. I should be preaching the right thing, but I'm doing. You know, it's not a regular use to buy food in the truck stop, right? Because you know you gotta be careful what you're eating at the truck stops. You know what I mean? Not like they're selling bad food or anything. It's just that you have to watch your weight, and you got to save some money also. So sometimes it's better to take food from your home, and you will end up spending a lot of money. No. That don't look appetizing.
arrived at your destination on the right side, 6611 East Meridian Avenue.
People
And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know, this I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know you can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, I love it. And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both know. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. All the misery was necessary when we're deep in love, this I know. we can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone. But I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. Oh, I love it. And I know she'll be the death of me. At least we're both enough. And she'll always get the best of me. The worst is yet to come. All the misery was necessary when we're deep in love. Yes, I know. Yeah, girl, I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll never be alone. But I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. And I know she'll be the death of me. At least we're both enough. And she'll always get the best of me. The worst is yet to come. All the misery was necessary when we're deep in love. Yes, I know. Yeah, girl, I know. She told me don't worry.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.